Hey guys, today from Keys R Us, we're a wholesale for garage remote and key blanks. Today we're going to show you how to use the Remocon garage remote programmer. This is a self-learning version. Also, you can use Remocon hardware like the programmer to program this garage remote. But today we're going to show you how to use the face-to-face option. To do that, you're going to hold the button 2 and 3 together, and then press the button 1 quickly, and you will have the solid, and after that it will go into programming mode, which is start blinking, and you have to just press the button that you want to program to capture the signal. Now it's capturing signal, you see blinking faster, so now you have to try to get the signal. This is one of the remotes that is a little bit harder to capture the signal, so it might take a few tries. But we have programmed this remote many times, and we know it's the best option for this is so see, capture the signal, press this button. Now this button and this button are exactly the same, so you can continue the process for the second button the same way, and you should have the same, and you press the second one. Now you have the button 2 is programmed, and you continue this process. Otherwise, you let the remote go to get out of the programming mode, and you will have those buttons that you selected for your garage remote, and you will have the exact same copy as your garage remote. So with this Remocon, now you can copy Keyscan, older version, and Elevato, NewTek, Iboprox, ICT, CDVI, CSIS, and many more.